Hello, everybody. Welcome to English Speaking and Listening Club. So today, I'm going to talk about my struggle to learn English. Learning English is not easy. It is a journey full of challenges, mistakes, and small victories. But the good news is that every struggle teaches you something. Today, I will share my personal experience, the obstacles I faced, the mistakes I made, and the strategies I used to improve my English. I will also give you practical exercises, tips, and examples to help you practice your listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. 1. The beginning, feeling overwhelmed when I first started learning English. I felt completely overwhelmed. I did not know where to begin. Grammar rules seemed confusing, vocabulary was enormous, and pronunciation sounded impossible. Sometimes I tried to speak English, but I couldn't find the right words. I would get nervous and stay silent, afraid of making mistakes. I often thought, maybe I'm not good at English, or I will never speak fluently. Many English learners feel the same way at the beginning. This is normal. Learning a language is like learning to ride a bicycle. You fall many times before you can ride smoothly. The key is to keep practicing, even when it feels hard. 2. Listening struggles. One of my biggest challenges was listening. I could read words on a page, but when someone spoke fast, I couldn't understand them. I remember trying to watch English movies or listen to podcasts, and it was just too fast. At first, I felt discouraged. I thought maybe I was not talented enough. Then I realized listening is a skill that can be trained gradually. Here are the steps I used. Start with slow English. Listen to audio made for beginners. Repeat each sentence after hearing it. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. Repeat it slowly. Use subtitles. Watch videos with English subtitles. Read the words and listen carefully. Later, try watching without subtitles. Listen repeatedly. Repetition helps your brain recognize words and pronunciation. Listen to the same audio multiple times. Listen actively. Don't just hear. Focus on understanding the words and meaning. Try to predict the next word or phrase. Over time, I could understand more, and my confidence grew. Listening daily is essential to improve English. 3. Speaking challenge. Speaking was even harder for me. I was afraid of making mistakes, using wrong grammar, or mispronouncing words. Often, I stayed silent, even when I knew the answer or had something to say. I was afraid of judgment, but then I realized speaking is the only way to improve. You learn faster when you actually use the language. Here's how I practiced. Talk to yourself. Describe your day aloud. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I drink water. This builds fluency. Practice with friends or online partners. Even short conversations help. Don't worry about mistakes. Keep speaking. Record yourself. Listening too. Your own voice helps identify pronunciation mistakes and track improvement. Speaking every day, even for 10 minutes, can make a huge difference over months. 4. Grammar and vocabulary. Grammar and vocabulary were also difficult. I didn't know when to use is or are, or how to place adjectives and adverbs. Memorizing grammar rules alone did not help. What worked for me was learning through practice. Read short stories or articles and notice sentence structures. Write small paragraphs about daily activities. For example, today I went to the market. I bought apples and bread. The weather was sunny. Use new words in your own sentences to remember them better. Building vocabulary slowly is more effective than memorizing long lists. Start with words you use in daily life. Eat, sleep, go, come, happy, sad, big, small. 5. Thinking in English initially. I always translated from my native language to English. This slowed me down and caused mistakes. Later, I practiced thinking directly in English. For example, when I woke up, I am in my room. The sun is shining. I will drink water. Thinking in English trains your brain and improves fluency naturally. 6. Daily routines for English learning. Here's an example of a daily routine that helped me. Morning, listen to 10 minutes of English audio podcasts or dialogues. Speak aloud for 5 to 10 minutes, describing your plans for the day. Afternoon, read a short article, story, or news piece. Write a few sentences about your thoughts or activities. Evening, watch a short English video with subtitles. Practice new vocabulary words learned during the day. Review grammar points briefly. Consistency is more important than duration. Even 15 to 20 minutes every day builds fluency over time. 7. Mistakes are lessons. Learned that mistakes are not failures, they are lessons. Every time I mispronounced a word or used wrong grammar, I corrected myself and remembered it for next time. For example, I used to say, she go to school, but after repeated practice, I learned to say, she goes to school. Mistakes help me improve faster than perfect practice. 8. Dealing with frustration. Learning English can be frustrating. Sometimes progress seems slow. But I discovered that patience and perseverance are the most important. Celebrate small wins. Understanding a new sentence, completing a conversation, or remembering vocabulary. These small victories build confidence and motivation. 9. Exposure to different accents. English is spoken differently around the world. I struggle to understand American, British, and Indian accents at first. The solution is exposure. Listen to different accents through movies, podcasts, or YouTube. I practiced imitating the way people speak, which helped with both listening and pronunciation. 10. Practical tips for English learners. Listen daily. Even 10 minutes a day helps. Speak as much as possible. Don't fear mistakes. Read and write daily. Small paragraphs and short stories are enough. Set small goals. Learn 5 new words a day. Speak 10 minutes daily. Think in English. Describe your surroundings, thoughts, or actions. Be patient. Improvement comes gradually. Use technology. Apps, videos, and online courses make learning interactive. Record yourself. Identify mistakes and track progress. Find supportive friends. Speak with learners or fluent speakers. Enjoy the process. Learning a language can be fun. 11. Example dialogue for practice. Let's practice a simple dialogue about a daily routine. Hi. How are you today, B? I am good, thank you. How about you? I am fine. What did you do today? B. I woke up early, ate breakfast, and went for a walk. That's great. Did you study English today? V. Yes, I practiced speaking and listened to a podcast. Repeating this dialogue aloud daily will help you improve listening, speaking, and vocabulary. 12. Motivation to keep going. Most important lesson I learned is never give up. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Some days are harder than others, but consistent practice, small daily goals, and patience bring progress. Every step, no matter how small, moves you closer to fluency. Learning English changed my confidence, my thinking, and my opportunities. Today, I can speak, listen, read, and write better because I practiced every day, even when it was hard. Your struggles are part of your story, and they make your success even sweeter. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.